Fam, great morning, great morning. We have 1 minute to the market opening. I have everything set up here. I have NVDA that I'm looking to confirm in my higher time frame. I sent this out to the team. I got a perfect setup here. It just literally touched. So I can have puts here going back to 154. So I like that for NVIDIA. Right now, the market is open. Let's see. I have SQQQ that's supposed to be bouncing around the zone. So let's see what happens. And then I have QQQ. I'm trying to take puts around this 174 area. Let me move this. Right there, that 274 for Qs. I like that zone. Come on, let's go. Everything is falling, huh? I got a 15 in the 5 minute. Those NVIDIA I can wait for. I like this Qs right here. Right? I want to see my confirmation. I like to take QQQ puts here. January 12th. Alright guys, let me see this. Oh, look at those QQQ puts, guys. That shit was money. Woo! Guys, those Q puts. Oh my gosh, literally just bounced off for SQQQ right there. Damn, NVIDIA printed. Market is printing right now. There's that SQQQ bounce. Wow, guys, beautiful. NVIDIA printed. I just had to take a picture for the team. Look at that, you guys. Wow, just beautiful. Guys, you're literally seeing me trading this live right here. This is just excellent right here. We got that SQQQ bounce. Mitigated that zone that we had right there. NVIDIA just printing like a machine. Just literally touch our zone right there. Guys, this is beautiful. This green box. Just excellent, you guys. Just excellent play. The video just going back to 154 here. Guys, this is just excellent. I'm not even going to say anything. If you are in my community, you guys got all this at around like 8:25 a.m. So you guys get this like an hour ahead before the market even opens. Look at that, just beautiful, right off our fucking zone. I will break that trade down on how I got this zone, so don't even worry. Right? And at this point, I mean, the market is just, it's getting destroyed right now. Right? That was just excellent. Guys, we're done. We have QQQ, right? We're going to 274 right here. So it's not even, market literally just open, is great things are happening here. Guys, this was just excellent. I just wanted you guys to witness that what's going on while I'm taking these trades. If you're in my community, guys, I'm breaking those trades down. I'm going to see why I got those 274.45, right? And literally reject it right off of there. Right? So there it is, guys. Well, the market is doing what it wants to do now, right? But we got it what we wanted to do, so no complaint there. Just got it in and out. It's beautiful, right? But that's about it, you guys. It's really nothing, no secret here, man. No secret. Telling the team that we have a class on Friday, 8 p.m. Okay, let's go. Let's go. See what happens here. See what happens, right? Oops. This is interesting. Did I get filled? Okay, great. Just wanted to make sure. Guys, there's the play, right? It's not. There's no secret. I just wanted to break that down with you guys. It's just a quick video showing you guys what happened here. But we out of there, guys. We out of there. Enjoy the rest of your day, fam. I love each and every one of you.